Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the route type in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then just drag the section at the bottom of the page up to enable more functions. And then at the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And at the navigation section, click on the route preferences button. And at the route type section, just click on the one that you want to use. So you can opt for a shorter travel time and shortest travel distance. So just click on the one that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.